In the Kubota flat sheet membrane process employed by the Aquatil Group, the only wastewater pre-treatment required is a 3 mm perforated plate screen before reception into the membrane bioreactor tanks. No primary settlement or finer screening is required. In common with conventional and other treatments, some additional grit and grease removal may be advisable, dependent on the composition of the effluent. The screened effluent is received into the bioreactor tanks containing the membrane units. Each membrane unit may contain up to 200 flat sheet membrane panels, the number of panels required being dependent on hydraulic flows and loads. Membrane bioreactors utilize the biomass contained within the mixed liquor to degrade the incoming pollutants, and the submerged flat sheet membranes to filter the treated permeate from that biomass. The combination of the high concentration biomass and the membranes produce a very high quality permeate. With the Aquatil Group's MBR technology, this quality is typically better than 555 biological oxygen demand, suspended solids and ammonia. Sited within the base of each membrane unit is a coarse bubble air diffuser system. Aeration is necessary for the biochemical degradation of influent pollutants and in creating an upward crossflow over the membranes. The membrane units serve as a flume to ensure effective tank mixing and even distribution of the biomass. This upward crossflow ensures an even flow across the membranes and prevents fouling. The panels are held 7 mm apart, the principal advantages of this design being that the membrane panels do not touch or abrade each other, so increasing membrane life, and are not clogged with hair or fibres, so reducing maintenance costs. This process has none of the fouling problems of some other membrane systems, which require frequent manual intervention and downtime for remedial action. The flat sheet design therefore achieves the maximum performance, efficiency and longevity, with the minimum of operator intervention. The integral part of any membrane bioreactor plant, irrespective of its size, is the membrane panels. These panels incorporate a rigid plastic frame as support, with ultrasonically welded membrane sheets on either side. The membrane material is a chemically stable polymeric sheet and is manufactured with a nominal pore size of 0.4 microns. In operation, a dynamic layer of protein and cellular material covers the membrane. This minimizes the pore size, producing an effective ultrafiltration range. Results show this membrane process significantly reduces bacteria, parasites and viruses. The removal of these pathogens enables the treated effluent to be reused or safely discharged into watercourses or aquifers. For the treatment of normal domestic wastewaters, the undiluted permeate satisfies the European Union Bathing Water Directive for bacteriological limits and also complies with the World Health Organization standards for unlimited irrigation. Permeate can be collected either using gravity head or a low-pressure suction system. The optimum gravity head is approximately 1 meter. The number of membrane units sited in the membrane bioreactor does not alter the required head, thus enabling the process to be scaled up without any significant issues. Cleaning of the membranes is undertaken using a dilute sodium hypochlorite solution, which is introduced into the membrane as a simple backwash. Under normal operation, this cleaning need only take place twice a year. There is no need for continuous automated back flushing, which increases complexity and requires significant chemical usage. Membrane cleaning is conducted in situ while the plant is operating and does not require the plant to be drained down or the physical removal of the membranes, thus avoiding risk of damage in handling. As a result of the long sludge ages generally used in this process, sludge production is kept to a minimum, typically less than half that generated by conventional processes. Sludge abstraction is simple and can be done on a timed basis to storage or tankered away. In summary, the Aquatil Group's treatment plants are a compact, unobtrusive and environmentally sound solution to wastewater treatment, providing high-quality permeate for many reuse or discharge applications.